My greatest natural hair challenge is styling my natural hair. Every day I find new ways to make having natural hair easy, but it never gets easy. So this is 2 days post wash day. I let my hair rest for 2 days before putting back the moisture I washed off into the hair. When you say lazy natural, put my name in the middle. Say lazy, then put my name in the middle. Washing my hair may take me like 30 to 1 hour plus deep conditioning and all that. So 1 hour 30 minutes I am done. Then I leave my hair for 2 days so that it can breathe and release back all the oils, all the natural oil. I stripped it off. It also helped me manage time, so I don't have the whole time in the world to wash my hair, style it in so I have a very easy moisture routine. So here I have my water, and this is my glycerin, and this glycerin is vegetable glycerin. I got it off organic store. So I'm just going to put a drop of glycerin into this water. I'm going to shake. This is the liquid that I need now, the water I need to moisturize my hair. Glycerin is a humectant. It brings water from the environment into our hair. It just has a lot of benefits for the natural hair, skin, and body in general. We're going to moisturize this in section, and when I'm done moisturizing this, I want to style my hair, but I don't know if I'm ready for that. But I'm going to style my hair anyway. It's still quite moisturized. This, even without stealing it, just after deep conditioning, I still have a very moisturized hair. I don't even know if there's a need for this moisture routine, but I'm still going to do it anyway. So I'm going to take out one section from the 6 sections I washed my hair. So this is the sections I washed in. So this is one section of the 6 sections I washed my hair in. So I'm just going to use my hand to like open it up a bit. So I really think I need to trim my hair, so I'll just cut this off. So if I have more of this, I'm going to cut it off because I'm not ready to trim my hair soon. I usually will not comb my hair, but because I just deep conditioned and then kept the hair in that twist, I just want to loosen up the coils by combing it a bit. Not that I want to comb my hair. I only comb my hair on wash day, but today my hair has been like this for 2 days, and I just want to loosen up the coils because I want to style it. I want to be truly sincere with you guys. Is styling your own natural hair is the hardest job you can ever learn. It is not a bed of roses. Natural hair is not easy to manage unless you are patient. And being a lazy natural like me, you're going to have to carry rough natural hair on daily basis. You're going to have to carry twists that do not have straight lines unless someone is doing the lines for you, and you're going to have to learn not to always look out for neat and clean hair all the time, just like this. My brand, since I started having my own hair care brand, I prefer putting the butter first before the oil because I feel like my butter is very rich. So I make sure I rub it into my hair because I don't want to use heat to get this into my hair. So you may want to use the bagging method, like the way you deep condition after putting your butter or leave-in or whatever you're putting, then you bag it. You put your plastic bag on and make it easier for the moisture to get into your hair. But no, that's not what I'm going to do. Once that is done, to get my oil, and then I'm going to press in some into my palm and use it to seal in the moisture. First, glycerin water. I don't want too much water on my hair, that's why I'm not pouring it. I assure you, if you learn how to always keep your hair in all these sections, always keep your hair away like this, you are going to have less trouble, less worry for your natural hair.